Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change this little icon right here. This works in Windows 7, 8.1 and 10. So first you're going to want to go to this website called classicshell.net. Then you're going to go to download now. I'll make sure to include the link in the description. You can choose a language of your choice, and if you do choose the English one, you can also change the language later in the settings. I'm going to choose English. And once it finishes, you just click on it. I'm going to go to next and change. Next again. Change again. And it's going to download the files. Finish. If this is your first time installing it, and depending on how fast your computer is, it might take up to a couple of minutes to download. So after it finishes downloading, I'm going to go to the Windows Start. Then I'm going to go to an app called Classic Start Menu Settings, which in my case is the third one, but sometimes it's a fourth one, so you'll just have to expand. So I'll click on it. If you haven't already clicked on Show All Settings, then you should. And then in the Start Menu Style, so there's the Style section and there's the Start Button section. What we want to do is the Start Button, so just click on Replace Start Button and then Custom, and then you just pick your image. So there's a catch, and it's the image that you're choosing. It has to be divisible into 3 sections vertically, because there's how it looks right now when you hover over it and when you click on it. They're pretty much 3 different images. I'll include a couple of images in the description so that you know what I mean. So after you pick your image, you just click on OK. And then when I click here, as you can see, it looks a little different than normal. So I'm going to open the settings again. And this is a Windows 7 style. So how you would change this is just go to Controls. And then in the section that says left click opens, click on Windows Start Menu. And then OK. Let's check it again. And it's back to normal. Thank you for watching. And if you want more videos like this, please let us know in the comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our new content. See you in the next video.